So the next topic we're going to talk about is diaper rash. That's another one, another common pediatric occurrence that happens that sometimes can make parents uncomfortable because diaper rashes can look really angry and sometimes they can be hard to get rid of. So let's talk about what actually is diaper rash. Hello, my name is Dr. Erica Smith and I'm a licensed naturopathic physician who helps kids thrive without medications or harsh interventions. Diaper rash is just basically a reaction in the diaper or genital area. It's like a dermatitis, an irritation of that skin. Can be caused by three main things. One of them is irritation. So if the area is kept wet for too long or dirty for too long, the skin can become irritated. If there is an infection, so being exposed to urine for too long can change the pH and cause certain bacteria to flourish. Also, warm, moist areas like the diaper area can be perfect for bacteria or fungal overgrowth. So some children can get sort of like a yeast type infection in their diaper area. There are some children with suppressed immune systems who can also get genital staph or strep that can cause diaper rashes. The other thing that can cause diaper rash is an allergy. So contact with allergenic chemicals like in the diaper, in the soaps, in foods, or also in detergents can cause diaper rash. So usually we're talking about irritation, maybe an infection, or allergy. Those are usually the three causes of diaper rash. So how can we treat diaper rash naturally, right? Without having to resort to severe harsh creams. The main thing to do is to determine which of the three things above is causing the problem. So is it an irritation? If so, make sure that you're changing the baby frequently or that daycare is changing the baby frequently to reduce the incidence of irritation. If it's an infection, we're going to talk below about some ways to naturally treat fungal infections or other microbes that can cause diaper rash. And then if it's an allergy, we're going to look at what are the chemicals we're using in our home. What type of laundry are we using? What type of diapers are we using? And what type of body care products like soaps or baby powders or things are we using? And eliminate those that cause a reaction. If your child does have a diaper rash and you want to help it heal better, there's a couple things we can do. Healing salves that you can get from any health food store that have comfrey and calendula in them are extremely soothing and extremely healing. So I would look for those two ingredients in your natural diaper creams. You can also get some slippery elm powder and sort of dust the area. That helps keep the area dry and it will inhibit mold growth. Oatmeal baths are also really, really helpful for diaper rash. So you're going to just put a little bit of regular oatmeal in the bathtub in your baby's bath and let them sit in it for a while. That's very helpful. Okay, so when do we want to contact our healthcare provider if our child has had a diaper rash for a long time? We've tried all the things that I talked about above and it's not healing. If the rash is not healing with the suggestions we talked about above, then you want to let your healthcare provider look at the area. There may be something more going on. You also want to make sure if the baby has a rash and it starts to spread to other areas of the body, it starts in the diaper area and then it ends up on the legs and now it's on the lower abdomen, then that needs to be seen because that's not typical diaper rash. That might be another infectious agent. Also, if the rash is oozing or bleeding, that's not typical diaper rash either. So we want to make sure that we get that treated as well. But otherwise, you really can treat diaper rash at home. Make sure that you look for the three causes and remediate them. So that's irritation, infection, or allergy. Otherwise, you can treat your baby's diaper rash at home. If you found this information helpful and would like to learn more, please like and subscribe so you can be notified about other ways to keep your child healthy naturally.